Hey there, and thanks for tuning into this video, which is all about the LinkedIn Stories feature and how you can actually find out how many views you have had on your individual LinkedIn story. So not only how many views, but LinkedIn's got a great feature where it will actually show you who those people are as well. So LinkedIn's an amazing platform with some great features. This is one of them. So let's dive into that right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, coming to you from my iPad because, as we all know, the LinkedIn Stories feature is only available on your mobile or tablet device, not available on the desktop. And as always, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. And if you're watching it on my LinkedIn profile, by all means, send me a message and connect with me as well. So I flipped over to the newsfeed or the homepage of my LinkedIn profile because that's where we need to go to actually view the LinkedIn story that you've created. So top left, I'm going to tap the plus sign and it's going to take me to the story that I just did yesterday. So it zooms through pretty quickly, takes about 3 to 4 or 5 seconds. That was the story that I did. Coming soon to my YouTube channel this week. It's another one of my videos that I'm uploading to my YouTube channel, the good, the bad and the ugly. So that's the story. Now, how do you know who's viewed it? So down the bottom left, I've got views 53. So if I tap on that, and I'll show everyone again, bottom left hand corner it says views 53 so far. It actually then shows me the people in my network who have viewed my LinkedIn story, which is pretty good because it just goes to show, posting content, people start engaging it, opportunities open up, who knows where that goes from there. So it's the bottom left hand corner. It shows you the total number of people who have actually viewed your story. Now I did this one over the weekend, so it hasn't had that many views. Sometimes when I do my stories I can get 200 or 300 people view them. So that's the simplest way to view how many people have viewed your stories, and the great thing about it is it shows you who these people are. Gareth, Pavet, Jez, David, Tayeb, Nicholas, Kara, Nazli, and goes on and on and on. The beauty about LinkedIn is invisible becomes visible. So the opportunity for us now is to actually reach out to those people and actually say, hey, thanks for viewing my profile or thanks for viewing my story. Is there anything I can help you with? So if I tap on Gareth, I can send him a direct message, and I might, Gareth McKay, Sales Director at Valin, I might say, hey Gareth, I noticed you, I see you viewed my LinkedIn story. Stay on the lookout for my YouTube video this week as well. So there we go. It's just another opportunity for you to engage with your marketplace, your customers, potential customers, suppliers, joint venture partners, whatever it may be, their connections on LinkedIn. But hey, another opportunity for you to reach out and engage with your network. Hey Gareth, I noticed you viewed my LinkedIn story. Stay on the lookout for my YouTube video this week as well. So there we go. Send off that message. It's another way for you to be, business networking on the platform of LinkedIn. Now, yes, this takes a little bit of time, but this is what people do. These are the best practices that all the best LinkedIn social media experts are doing. Not only that, also the best Facebook, Instagram, YouTube experts. This is the type of things that they do on a daily, weekly, on a never-ending basis. So creating your LinkedIn stories is fantastic. Always have a look to see who's viewed it. They've viewed it for some reason. It might have been curiosity. They might be looking and following you for some reason, business opportunity, that type of thing. There is no harm in actually reaching out and sending them a message and saying, just what I did there with Gareth. Now I could possibly change that message. I could possibly change it around and just say, hey Gareth, notice you viewed my LinkedIn story. Cheers. And make it as simple as that. Hopefully this video has helped you out with understanding LinkedIn stories a little bit more. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining and helpful, and I've opened your eyes a little bit more to the amazing world of LinkedIn and the opportunities that can afford all of us in business. The LinkedIn Stories feature, while it's been around for coming up for about a year or so now, I still find the vast majority of people just aren't utilizing it at all. So it may be something that you can, start, including in your social media mix. As a reminder, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell icon to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos. And no matter which of those social media platforms you're watching on, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like and a share. That would be most appreciated. And leave a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. And lastly, I do have a couple of playlists where you can actually binge watch some of my YouTube content. So some of my playlists have got 20 odd videos on. So if you found value on this LinkedIn Stories video, you can also find playlists on my YouTube channel, with 20 plus videos as well. Not only playlists on LinkedIn, but equally playlists on YouTube, Facebook, and others as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off. I'll look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.